Hi there. If you're reading headlines about inflation or mortgage rates, you may see something about the recent decision from the Federal Reserve, the Fed. But what does it mean for you, the housing market, and your plans to buy a home? Here's what you need to know. While the Fed is working hard to lower inflation, the latest data shows that while the number has improved some, the inflation rate is still higher than the target, 2%. That's played a role in the Fed's decision to raise the federal funds rate again recently. Keeping its inflation-fighting streak alive, the Fed has raised interest rates for the 10th time in 10 meetings. The hikes aim to cool the economy that was on fire after rebounding from the COVID recession of 2020. While the Fed's actions don't directly dictate what happens with mortgage rates, their decisions do have an impact and contributed to the intentional cool down in the housing market last year. During times of high inflation, your everyday expenses go up. That means you've likely felt the pinch at the gas pump and the grocery store. By raising the federal funds rate, the Fed is actively trying to lower inflation. If the Fed's successful, it could also lead to lower mortgage rates and better home buying affordability for you. That's because when inflation is high, mortgage rates tend to be high also. But as inflation cools, experts say mortgage rates will probably fall. Moving forward, both inflation and mortgage rates will continue to impact the housing market. And while there's no way to say with certainty where mortgage rates will go from here, the experts think mortgage rates will trend down this year if inflation comes down too. To stay informed on the latest insights, connect with a trusted real estate advisor. They keep their pulse on what's happening today and help you understand what the experts are projecting and how it could impact your homeownership plans. Don't let headlines about the latest decision from the Fed confuse you. Where mortgage rates go from here depends on what happens with inflation. If inflation cools, mortgage rates should tick down as well. Let's connect so you have expert insights on the housing market changes and what they mean for you. See you next time.